Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Easy Guide, and today we're going to talk about how you can use your Paysafecard in Fortnite. So at first, you have to click on the search bar and have to search for Fortnite. After searching Fortnite, you have to visit their first website, fortnite.com. After the website is opened, you need to log in into your account, and then you have to go to account. After opening this page, you have to click on payment management, and then you can see two methods. It's a PayPal and a credit card. These payment methods vary from country to country, so you can use this one, credit card, and use your Paysafecard number, date, CVV and state. Just remember, you can only use a Paysafecard if you have one already. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and press the bell icon.